The aim of this project was to design and develop a series of browser-based user interface that would work as a management system in the hospital A&E department, handling data sent over from patient wristbands, developed by Cerberus Security Laboratories with Connected Care. This interface is divided between two main user types: the admin, responsible for handling new patients and errors, and the nurse, overseeing all patient vitals and NHS National Early Warning Scores, allowing prioritization process. The requirements for this project are that data must be quickly accessible and easy to understand by staff. The project must use and refer to the NHS National Early Warning Score system, also known as News2. The project must be considering patients under 16 or pregnant, which News2 does not apply to. All essential information must be displayed clearly, and the interface must accommodate both aggregate status view of all bands and singular patient view. The interface must include wristbands management screens for targeted users, both admin and nurse. There must be an ability to add and disable bands, and there should be an ability to track vital trend changes over time. Additionally, it would be good if the user could check current and last location of the patient on the map visualization. Conducted research highlighted additional requirements like prompt alerts on individual vitals change, reassigning patient data to new bands, or auto-age calculation, which were reflected on the design solution. User testing conducted by Cerberus also put a new light on the system usability, dividing the interfaces clearer between admin and nurse based on their task, and adding additional features like the ability to move patients between departments within the A&E system by the nurse. The responsibilities were split between three in UX design, front-end development, and back-end development. On UX design, a combination of Miro and Figma were used for research, architecture, and design of interfaces and nurse users as per project requirements. For front-end development, I myself use Apollo, React, and GraphQL to develop front-end interfaces as per the prototype design, and Vue on back-end development use Golang, Python, GraphQL, and WebSocket to create a back-end system connecting the interface and the wristbands with Cerberus technical support. The design process went through many iterations to deliver the final solution that meets all the requirements and feedback suggestions. Here is a quick walkthrough of the prototype design, both for the admin and the nurse users. As you can see on the video, the admin can add a new patient to the system and edit their details if required. Admin can also manage any errors like in this scenario. The low battery band can be reassigned to a new one. This part of the video shows the interface visible by the nurse, which looks similar to the admin interface, but with more features available. For example, the nurse can see all details about new scores and vital changes of the patients in organized views. In these scenarios, the nurse can oversee any changes that are happening to the patients and view the individual patient data in detail, like checking data trends, and manage the patient using available options like moving the patient to different department views. Nurse View also includes alert sections, where all important changes are appearing. The nurse can also search for patients on the list and access the Moving Patients feature from the dashboard view. Another part of the functionality is prompting errors, like the connection error here, which can be triggered when the battery dies or when the patient leaves the A&E. In the patient view would be also a location map, which is not implemented yet, so the user can access the patient's location. Both nurses and admin have the ability to remove bands manually from the system if they find it appropriate. In summary, the project development was challenging and not everything got fully developed due to the workload and time available, but the majority of core requirements were met. Functionality not yet developed or needs fixing, which is also explained in detail in the README file on the GitHub page, is the map with location visualization, vital trend charts with real data and live updates. Also, there is a delay in updating cards, an inconsistency between alerts summary and main cards caused by GraphQL subscriptions. There is a missing other tab in the alerts section, and also it needs making sure that the vital card on the update stays shown until another rapid vital change occurs. Overall, we are really pleased with the outcome of the project and hope this will be implemented in the future and soon rolled out to A&Es across the country to make the current patient management systems more efficient.